You see the bride anywhere? Which one? This one?
I'm not fully ready. I've got my hair and makeup done. Don't get sad. I've just had my makeup done this second.
Right.
You're not allowed. I love your tie. You look really cool, Dad. You can see my dress. You can see it. I haven't got it on. Look at Libby's crying already.
Oh, okay.
See you there.
I need a drink.
Oh.
It's a tradition, a coin in your shoe when you're
Yeah.
walking down the aisle.
It's a Yorkshire tradition.
Yeah, apparently so.
Most of the wedding is Yorkshire people.
Ah.
Yeah.
Same thing for the camera.
I'm so glad that you're upstairs drinking champagne and we're down here doing all the hard work. I'm absolutely sweating, but it looks amazing. It's going to be the best day ever. Woo!
Got it from the window as well, but.
Well, look at you with your little handbag. You're rocking that, man. Only you would have Valentino. No, shit.
How you feeling, man? Do you want to say anything to the camera?
Don't do this too often. It's not good for your nervous system, but I would highly recommend it. Do it once and carefully. Go well.
Nice.